How does an allergy test work? Many people are allergic to some substances. Read the article to find out how an allergy test works. In some people, exposure to specific substances causes allergic symptoms that vary in severity. Here is how an allergy test works. The importance of doing a sensitivity test. Allergy tests are done to make sure that a specific substance you eat, touch, or even inhale causes an allergic reaction. The doctor takes information related to allergies in patients to avoid giving the patient any treatment that causes an allergic reaction. These tests are safe for adults and children of all ages, although they may not be recommended in special circumstances. How does an allergy test work? Several mechanisms describe how a sensitivity test works depending on the type of test, including the following. 1. Skin prick test. One of the most common types of allergy tests is a skin prick test. It is performed as follows. A drop of a solution of the potentially allergic substance is placed on the person's skin. The doctor or medical officer will gently prick the skin. Wait for 15 minutes. If redness and itching occur in the area, there is an allergy to the substance. This method is very safe and painless, but some consider it uncomfortable. One of the important things about how the allergy test works is that the doctor puts two basic materials before doing the test to know the extent of the natural response of the skin, namely, histamine. The skin usually responds with an immune response to histamine exposure, and if it does not respond, the test may not give correct results with respect to other substances. Saline or glycerin solution. Usually, these solutions do not cause any allergies, but if a person appears, it means that his skin is sensitive, and the results will not be as accurate as they should. In general, the skin prick test is the best, but we may resort to doing other tests in some cases, including the following. Use of some medications that conflict with the results of the examination. With the inability to stop using these medications, examples of these medications are antidepressants, steroids, and antihistamines. Intolerance to scratches that are made with needles. Presence of skin diseases, such as psoriasis and severe eczema. 2. Blood tests. Blood tests measure the amount of antibodies that the body makes as a result of exposure to the allergen. Antibodies stimulate the body to release chemicals that cause an allergic reaction to the body. The test is done by taking a blood sample, analyzing it in a laboratory, and looking for antibodies associated with the allergen. The blood test is relatively safe, but it can lead to some side effects, such as the following: swelling, redness, and some pain at the needle site. Bleeding at the place where the needle was inserted. Some people may faint after being exposed to any of the blood tests. 3. Patch test. This type of test is usually done to identify substances that can cause contact dermatitis. Where the test is carried out by placing the most famous substances that can cause allergies on metal discs, and then sticking them to the skin for 48 hours, while observing what happens. Skin allergy tests can be done for mites, dust, and animal dander. Its results are guaranteed. 4. Elimination diet. It is relied upon when an allergy to one of the foods is suspected. When a food allergy occurs, the immune system treats a specific type of food as a foreign body from a bacteria or virus, and an immune reaction against it occurs. This test is performed as follows. The food expected to be allergen is stopped for a specified period and symptoms are monitored. Do they improve or not? This variety is eaten after a while, observing the reaction of the body in terms of the presence of an allergy or not. If the result appears that you suffer from a food allergy, the only solution is to stay away from this type, as there is no treatment for food allergy. If the allergy to which the person is exposed is serious, the doctor will provide him with epinephrine in case of accidental exposure to this substance. 5. Challenge test. This test is also done for food allergy, where the variety to which an allergy is suspected is taken with a gradual increase in quantities. This test is more dangerous, as the body's reaction can be strong and needs immediate treatment, so it must be done under healthcare. Risks related to allergy tests. Exposure to various sensitivity tests may cause several side effects, including the following: swollen, Itchy patches. These patches may appear several hours after the test and last for several days. Severe allergic reaction. In some cases, exposure to certain substances during the test may cause a severe allergic reaction that requires immediate medical attention. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out these examinations in health centers and under medical supervision.